In the heart of Lammert's workshop, a young craftsman breathed life into a maroon-red 1920s Indian motorcycle replica, adorned with chrome and meticulous details. Seeking authenticity, he turned to Future Relics, an artist, pinstriper, and sign painter. Entrusting his masterpiece to Future Relics, Lammert sought the finishing touch, a gold leaf Indian logo and period-correct pinstripes. With delicate strokes, Future Relics wove a tale of vintage allure, transforming the motorcycle into a symphony of eras. As the engine roared to life, the collaboration spoke volumes, echoing a timeless journey through the open road's rich history.
Got my paintbrush, got my golden sheets. Gonna make this old bike shine on the street. But there's staying in a heart that's true. I'm gonna craft a masterpiece just for you. Oh, yeah. I'm a craftsman with a vision, baby, can't you see? Painting gold leaf on this Indian, that's a life for me. I pour my soul into every stroke, every line. I'm a singer, songwriter, painter, all combined. I'm a proud craftsman, gonna make this beauty shine. In the heart of the city, where the buildings kiss the sky, there's a little shop tucked away, time seems to fly. Hands stained in pigment and traces of gold. There's a sign painted, crafted story that unfolds. Steady brush, a heart full of dreams. Sweet